In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to use the Archive and Retrieval Wizard. So you want to click on your Archive button, and this is your first screen where it says Archive and Retrieval Wizard. By default, Backup Files is selected, and we'll click Next. This window will show you your user ID and the 3 types of backups that you can do. Backup user files would be jobs, include certificates, appearances, anything like that. Configuration files would be the way you like things to be seen inside of Winner, the editor, and your page layout, and if you're doing macros, and different things that are accustomed to you. And then backup personal dictionaries would be for backing up your main dictionary, your tokens dictionary, the online dictionary, and the spell checking dictionary. So we're going to select backup user files and click Next. And we're just going to select any one of these. We'll take a default cover sheet. Maybe I'll go down here for this one better. Now, in the box below here where I'm pointing, these are all the files that have this name. And these are the different parts of them within Winner, including the audio file. Now, if I don't want to take all of these things and I only want to use a user selection, and I can uncheck things that I don't need. Like if this is a final, I don't need the save files or anything other than just your basics, which would be STN, TRP, OFS, OPT. And that would be it. And maybe the dictionary, which would be the DIX. You can have Archive Wizard test your backup file to make sure that it is not corrupt. And then you can delete the job when you're finished. Delete it from within Winner when you're done zipping it up. You can also select all, and that would select everything in your user folder. This is cool. You can back up all of your files at once. There will be questions and stuff in there that you'll have to answer, so there still will be a little bit of work when doing that. But when you restore, you'll have to restore one at a time. Okay, so I'm going to leave those like that. And here we have the name of the file and the time and the date that you backed it up. And here you can select where you want it to go. I usually select the desktop. You can also go to the CD write folder, at which time after you've selected this, you will get prompted to that you have files waiting to be burned to CD, and then browse in the case that you want to take it out to a jump drive or something like that. So there's all kinds of places you can put it. In this case, I'm just going to put it to the desktop. We also have a mail recipient if you want to email this person this particular file. And remember, emails don't usually take something more than like 2 megabytes. So that could be an issue. So when you're done and you click finish, what'll happen, it'll bring up a mail client, and you'll want to get with technical support to help you set that up if you're going to use that. And then you'll just enter the email address and send that off. Upload and notify allows you to upload it to Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive. Again, you're going to want to contact technical support for help on setting that up. And then what it does is it sends a link to the recipient, and they'll be able to download it from your Dropbox. So now I'm going to click on Finish. Remember, it's going to the desktop. And because I said I wanted it to be deleted, it's asking me, are you sure you want to continue? I'm going to say yes. And the backup files were tested successfully. In other words, that's fine. And you click on OK. And there's everything's been backed up successfully. And of course, it's going to ask you if you want to do another operation. And we'll say no. Now, that file that I just deleted, I'm going to restore it. So I'm going to select Restore. Click Next. Here I have to figure out where I put it. In this case, I put it in the on my desktop. And there we go. And would you like to do another one? We say no. And that really is all there is to using Archive and Retrieval Wizard.